Charge! So the Geonosians told the droids what we're up to. Use the HTE to take them down, or we're gonna have company. Destroy those transports and fast! Standard fire's not gonna cut it. We've gotta soften the ships up. Try to get creative with the HTE's heavy cannon. Deploy grenade! Now we're talking! Come on! For clankers. Superior ally on the battlefield. Those ships will be dropping anything but tiny droid parts. Oh! The hard cell should be about ready to pop! Droid scan. I got point. New ally on site. Coming through, droids. Flanker spotted.
Sector online.
Grenade out. They lost their shields. Doing what we do. Attack. We need to do a better job of disrupting those defenses. That's a sight, isn't it? So good, I want to see it again. There we go. Watch this! Fire before they restore the defenses! Transport attack underway. The droids re-engage their defenses. Their shields are down. Those fuel cells can't take much more. reinforcements.
Ground team, gunnery cruiser inbound on the turbo lasers just beyond those droid defenses. They'll need somewhere to touch down, so open a hole for them.
I have to do everything myself.
It's your show, troopers. Secure the LZ for our gun crews.
I'm not gonna beat these guys. Could've used you on Christophsis. Ready to quit yet? Running out of options here. You should have brought more friends.
The Septies are pulling up stakes.
Could I have a word?
Dig in, soldiers! Help's on the way!
Always be on the move, people.
I've got something we should try.
Let me make this simple. One lightsaber and they all start to scatter. Try or not, you know how to handle this. Do this.
Shoring up the LZ. Republic gunners just waiting on you now.
Pretty sure we should go this way.
Not so smart now, are you?
Our gunners are almost in position. stop an army and destroy a droid factory? Remarkable. Artillery!